Sorry. Sorry. And so... Sorry. I love girls. Throat. Oh, there's one. Oh, I feel so much better. I just needed to do that. Yes, like you. You just smell like the Coke. Ooh, burps, 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 burps. Decent? How? Do you guys mind if I burp? Sorry. Fuck. Sorry. Sorry, wow, I'm gonna be burping a lot. I'm disgusting. Sorry, it's the beer.
Spicy. Come on.
Sorry.
Pick me. I'm
My bad.
so bored.
I thought it was basil. Yo, hello. Hello, or Corona. How about Dos Equis? I like Dos Equis, but they only. Sorry. Kisses. I hope you're doing good. I should not burp when there's girls on the chat. I like how I say my weight. Sorry. I like how I say my weight in kilograms. Sorry about that. Hold on. Sorry. Not sorry. Yeah, no, sorry. That sorry. I don't see it. He's biting his leg.
One more point and we win the whole enchilada.
Sorry. I'm disgusting. I really apologize to you guys. Can you see him? Sorry. He hits on the... I feed him up here. No. There you go. Sorry. Sorry. Just shower before you go in the hot tub. Sorry, one sec. Sorry. Excuse me. Do this. Do this. My only worry is after this meal, I'm gonna be like, sorry. So sorry. I'm okay. That's it. I'm okay. Marching powder. Are you asking me about cocaine? Like if I was recording for a while and I could edit it. Some meat in a pan. I'll show you guys. Hold on, we're jiggling. Wow, sorry, that was very, very...
Ven.
Listos.
Vamos.
Oh, there we go. Spicy. That felt good. That felt really... How good that was. Okay, so now... Hi. Matcha and... Sorry. Watermelon juice and matcha for breakfast. Why? God, I want to burp so bad. This is how I burp myself. It works so well. I am going to... Sorry. Very bad. How does that even work? Sorry. Please don't make me unhealthy. But like, it sucked. I have to burp.
Yeah.
Awesome wallpaper. Okay. But I have to burp. Hold on. I'll see you guys on Thursday. That stuff, you know. Sorry. I don't remember writing that. How do I see it? 70%. Okay, it's good. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. Put a smiley face on it.
Smiley faces make it.
Sorry. Honest. Sorry. Sorry. I would have probably chill.
Of getting my heart broken. I don't want to be in the friend zone. Because once you're in the friend zone, that's it. You're done.
Oh, sorry. Alinty is wondering, do you actually realize how beautiful and fine? He accused her.
Yeah.
I am so anxious to meet Coyote. I've heard.
Sorry, has the brother always spoken like this? Sick? Sorry, that was really shit. A little longer. Kill the bacteria. You fine. You're just jealous, Boomer Bob, because you suck and he's good. It was really bad. Sorry. I am. Sorry. I don't know where that came from. To you. Sorry. Oh fuck, I'm not doing this. I can't do it, I'm a pussy. I don't care. I'm sorry, chat. I can't do it. It hurts. Say. Sorry. Como es que era? Shot goes. Burp a lot. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Bolin, I love that. Sorry. Oh, yes. Okay, I really needed to do that. Here it comes. Is that good to do? Wait, that was terrible. Hold on. I forgot I was supposed to give a good. I haven't changed this play. Spray. So, typing. I personally like because the letters are really big and I can. So, intervention. I just didn't do any of it. So sorry, Gross. I don't. It was really bad. Sorry. It was really bad. No more burping. It was like the end of October. It's already under like freezing temperature. Sorry. Sorry. Wow, that was a weird burp. We were talking about God today and not buttholes. Okay, let's talk about. So let's do. That's fucking dumb. Okay. So you admit your. Why am I so burpy? I haven't even drank. There it is. Sorry. Fuck. I'm so burpy. Good one, Natty. Feels. Hi. Vietnamese food. Sorry. Wow, that was gross. I'm disgusting. I'm so sorry. I won't do that ever. Take you out. Oh. Hard because